I got money, ain't it changed. I got girls, they ain't strange. Not to mention, I don't do detention. When I'm in your ends, I beat you the entrance. And I don't need no guest list when I pull up to the palace. Smoking every room, yeah, we smoking on the chalice. Red cup and we okay. Red cup and we located in the back room where they do things. Everybody know we okay, got a crew living. Gotta be kidding. All of these hundreds of millions, not one of these women's is smitten. All of the money, the feeling, they know that they gonna get it in a minute. But if they can't really cool out, it's so chillin'. Yeah, I feel young. Told her come and meet me at the park. We could start something fun late after dark. Swimming in the water, girl, and there's a lot of sharks. Jump into my boat, yeah, I'll help you stay afloat. Yeah, I ain't had a smoke yet. No, I'm not joking. Roll up in your party, and you know I'm always loaded. Whole house like a club thing, whole house like a party though. If you got the camera out, it'll look like some Mardi Gras. Red cup and we okay, red cup and we located at the back room where they do things. Whole click on them new things. Nobody rockin' with the mood swings. Nobody rockin' with them rude things. Yeah, I'ma have to let the two sing. What's it saying? I got the goods. I got the goods. I got the goods. I got the goods. Hey girl, I got the goods. I got the goods. I got the goods. Yeah, I got the goods. Met her on the corner of Trinity Ave. Walk past me, I'm feeling that ass. Let me holla, I got something to ask her. Do you really want something to last? Something to last, little longer than your ex thing. Something to last, maybe I could be your next thing. Something to last, maybe it could be a blessing. Something to last, I think I learned my lesson. First time looking like you was cold, cause you caught me by surprise with your